Alright, so this is our second part, and we will cover all the other parts because the video is really long and it's more than 20 minutes. I don't think so how we'll have the patience to watch the video, so I just put it in two parts, and enjoy watching from next part. So after coming here, so now you can preview your printer how it will look like. So now it is scaling, you can see. Yeah, so this is the preview of your printing part so I think everything is okay. Now we can print it. It will take 8.7 hour, and it will use 284 gram of metal. We already put it in the, like I'm talking about this, we will use 280 gram of this. This thing is a little bit expensive, but if you are in university, so they will do everything for you. So we will just print it now. Scaling. Yeah, so already give the command. I changed some parameter from here so that it came in 10 hour, and we will use 367 gram of metal. So my design is loading to the machine right now, you can see. So it will take maybe one like how many seconds. Yeah, so it started. Now you can see here we need to check some parameter. The temperature is increasing, you see the temperature is increasing, and when it will reach 270 almost, then the printer will start to print. So here after printing you have some command like pause the printing or stop the printing. This is pause and this is stop. Even in this moment, if you like remove the cable of the machine, it doesn't matter, it will start to print because we already give the command fully to the machine. You get it? So let's see. Now the machine is not working now, but when it will reach 200 and almost 70, so let's check it out. And in this time you can't change anything of this PC because you already give the command. So nothing has been changed now if you still try to change something. So make sure before you start to print everything is okay. So now it's already raised in 270. See, you got the sound. So this one started to work now. This one will start to work. Yeah, it started, but I can't show you guys. This is not very clean. Let's try to show you guys from the top. Yes. So now you can see. Very clearly. Even though it's really dangerous to show you guys. It will take 10 hours. Can you imagine? You have to wait. Yeah, you have to keep patient whenever you're working in any lab. It's not very easy to do, even though we know it's like, who made it? It's not a big deal to build it, but it's a big deal. You know. So the temperature is rising, and it will start to print. So we don't have anything to do here. We have to wait more next 10 hours. So within this time I will take a break, and we will come back again after 10 hours to show you guys everything. So our workpiece is already start to printed here, you can see. So we will not open it to show you guys again because we already opened one time and it's stopped the printing because of the temperature constant. So let's have a overview of this lab, and we will stop the video from here. So this is not very okay, but it's okay. Engineering lab, what do you expect from this? We have totally five 3D printer, and we have some other thing I need to show you guys. Like I'm really really, I don't know how to, I'm really wonder, like a lot of machine we have here. We already used this one using PLC language to control this part. This is ABB. You can use ABB robotic software to control this those robotic arm. And then this is the remote you can use like to control manually. Here we have all of these things, and this is like kind of CNC machine prototype, not the original one. So after make the drawing in software, we come here and then we print our workpiece. Like those guys Chinese, maybe his name started with K and his girlfriend with R. So this is his or her name. I don't know, I can't read very well still. So they made all of these things. We also did, but not in this lab. We did in another lab. Yeah, so we will come after 10 hours and then show you guys what we did last 10 hours. So yeah, so after 10 hours we are coming back and show you guys what we did already. So some guys, they already printed those things. It's very easy to print. Those things is very easy to print, and this is most easier one. This is most easier one. Yeah, so we will come back after 10 hours. Stay tuned with me, but you will see it within 2 seconds. Alright, so you are done with our 3D printing. Now you can come and show them. So what you have to do, definitely safety caution. You have to wear gloves because it's really hot inside. And come closer so that we can see very clearly. So come more closer. Yeah. So we have to like push it back and put it up. So if you push it back, it will come out directly. So this is the total workpiece. So let me show you guys more closer. Come closer and show them. Yeah, so this is the total workpiece, you see. And now we will remove the plate from our workpiece. So let's see, this is a little hot. At first try to